Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another exciting vlog from Serbia. Today we're gonna do a mountain bike ride through the mountains connecting from Mustapic village to a village Kaona near Kučevo. Sanja's brother Željko drove us here with a van, so it shouldn't take more than 2-3 hours with a bicycle. So let's get started. Okay, so after about 10 minutes we got up to this travel station and we're gonna continue this way, and there should be some crossroad soon. So we got to another crossroad, so we came from here and this is way probably to Mišljenovac, which is like a village next to Mustapica, and we're gonna keep going this way. So that's why I say try to reuse things, because in countries like Serbia people just chuck the trash in nature like this, you know, and most of it, look, if you look closer, is like plastic bottles, actually almost all of it. So people looking weird at me when I refill my bottles in the toilet, but then they're okay with this shit. Fucking hell. So it's almost 3 o'clock 20 minutes and we just got up from this little hill. As you can see, Mustapic was somewhere over there on the right, and now there's people even here. And here we got to this cornfield with a fence around, and there was also the hunting tower over there. So it's incredible how some hunters just like makes it so easy to kill the animals. They attract them with the corn and then they have nowhere to run and they just shoot them. So it's just such idiots who are hunting, and the hunters always make excuses to kill the animals because of nature preservation, things like that, but it's all bullshit. Like the deer is not making that much damage here. It only eats few corns that's for feeding the animals that people eat anyways.
Do you wanna dance?
There's so many crossroads here. Like we got another one here. We go to Kladurovo, and this way go to Kaona.
You wanna dance?
So I just crashed a little bit here. That was the leaves and I didn't see the hole between. I was just braking and fell over the bars a little bit, but nothing too serious. Only little scratches here. You can't even see anything. That's the vegan power, you never get hurted too badly. So we came from over here, but there's so many roads right now. There's another road going here, and now there's another road coming from here, and now we're gonna follow this one here. Now I think we're getting closer to Kaona. You can see already many fields for animal agriculture purposes mainly. And there's some big hill, we're not sure what it is. And the road keeps going up here. Okay, we're getting closer to Kaona village, which would be just somewhere down here. And you can also see the Kaona excavation site over here. And we want to get back to Kučevo through the hill somewhere over there. So hopefully we should make it soon. And here we met some group of dogs at the end of Kaona village. So there is a lot of street dogs in Serbia, and they're not sterilized, so there is also lots of puppies, and people just sometimes put them by the side of the road hoping somebody else will take them. And sometimes the dogs just live a street life and have to get a food any way possible. So our dog Zgubil is actually a rescued street dog that I found in the woods when she was a puppy. So if I had a decision, I would definitely sterilize all the street dogs, so there is no more unwanted puppies or unwanted street dogs who have to fight every day just to get enough food. I would do the same in people in third world countries who can't even afford food for themselves, not enough for their children. So it's really unethical to bring children in a world where they can't even feed them. So forced sterilization is the most ethical way here. Okay, and here we're getting up the hill in Kaona, and you can see the cross hill where we're gonna connect soon around the hills. So it was a great adventure from Mustapic to Kaona, definitely recommend it. So stay tuned for more adventures from Kučevo, Serbia. And for now, stay healthy and stay adventurous!